This is Redmi 13R, and today I'll show how you can set up the Wi-Fi hotspot feature on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings. Now find and enter the connection and sharing category. Here, open the portable hotspot page. That's how you switch it on. Then you can also set the name for set your network at the first place. So here I will rename my phone. You can change the password, the security protocol, as well as whether your network name will be hidden or SSID will be hidden or not. What else you can do? You can also share the QR code so people can automatically connect their devices to your Wi-Fi network or portable hotspot. You can make it so that there will be a one-time data limit for your hotspot users. You also can automatically turn off the hotspot if necessary, manage the USB tethering option, Bluetooth tethering, and so on. Here you can see the devices, the connected devices list. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.